Well, after going through all this work and getting ready to put the final few touches to it, it dawned on me, I put the legs on the wrong end. This is the end you sit on, which needs the wider spaced legs, but I put the wider spaced legs on the front. It's a little tippy otherwise, so now I get to tear it back down and plug holes and move the legs to the right spots. After fussing for a while, I got the legs reversed, plugged a few holes and re-drilled the bolts. I still have to come back and trim these bolts off because I couldn't get the right length when I bought them. These bolts right here I got, they were the wrong length, so I had some 3/8 bars, so I tapped it on took a die and cut threads on both ends for 2 of them, and it's put together now. It does move. Maybe not as freely as it should to give it time to work itself in. May have to cut the treadle a little bit off in order to get the jaw to come down as far as I like. But I think I'm going to lower the jaw down to this point and try it out and see if it works. Well, looky here, it actually works. It may not be perfect yet, but it is functional, so that's where we're at. Actually, this piece I'm working on now, it will end up being a handle to a throw. Which is how they would have done it years ago. Of course, they wouldn't have let it jump out of the shaving horse like that, but funny thing about all this storm damage that came down with the hurricane, most of it's finding other uses rather than being put in the firewood pile, so I think that's a win-win myself.